Hey, ever thought about making some cash off your awesome YouTube content? Well, the YouTube Partner Program is the way to go. Surprisingly, lots of creators out there have no clue how to get in on the action. No worries though, I've got your back with a quick tutorial on how to kickstart that money-making journey with the YouTube Partner Program. To apply for YPP, you need to qualify for few requirements. Let's see what those are. You need to follow the YouTube channel monetization policies. You need to live in a country or region where the YouTube Partner Program is available. You should have no active community guidelines strikes on your channel. Make sure two-step verification is turned on for your Google account. You need to have advanced features access on YouTube. Finally, you need to have one active AdSense account that you'll link to your channel. And the next question is how you can become eligible for the YPP. There, you need to meet either of two eligibility thresholds. You need to get 1,000 subscribers with 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months, or get 1,000 subscribers with 10 million valid public shorts views in the last 90 days. If you complete either of these two criteria, you are eligible for the YouTube Partner Program. So, how to apply for this YouTube Partner Program? Go to your YouTube channel app, then open YouTube Studio. On the left-hand side menu, click Earn. There you can see if you have met the eligible criteria or not. You can select to get notified via an email when you are eligible to apply. So, how does YouTube review your applications? Their automated systems and human reviewers will review your channel as a whole to make sure your channel follows all of our policies and guidelines. Typically, this process takes about 1 month to complete. You can check the Earn section of YouTube Studio anytime to see the status of your application. If your first application wasn't successful, don't worry. You can appeal the decision within 21 days, or keep uploading original content, and you'll be able to reapply after a 30-day period. YouTube will let you know which portion of your channel doesn't currently follow their policies and guidelines, so review those and adjust your channel before reapplying. If your application was approved, congrats! Now you can earn money for your creativity and dedication. Now let's see the different ways you can earn money from YouTube Partner Program. Advertising revenue. Earn revenue from watch page ads and shorts feed ads. Channel memberships. You can earn from recurring monthly payments your members make for access to special perks. YouTube Premium revenue. Get part of a YouTube Premium subscriber's subscription fee when they watch your content. Super Chat and Super Stickers. Your fans pay to get their messages or animated images highlighted in live chat streams. Finally, shopping. Your fans can browse and buy products from your shop, or products that you recommend from other brands through the YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program. These are some countries eligible for YouTube Partner Program: Algeria, Argentina, Aruba, Azerbaijan, Australia, Austria, Bahrain, Bangladesh, Bermuda, Belarus, Belgium, Brazil, Bulgaria, Cambodia, Canada, Chile, Colombia, Cyprus, Denmark, Egypt, Estonia, Faroe Islands, Finland, France, Georgia, Germany, Ghana, Greece, Greenland, Hong Kong, Iceland, India, Italy, Japan, Malaysia, Nepal, New Zealand, Pakistan, Philippines, Singapore, Saudi Arabia, South Korea, Sri Lanka, Switzerland, England, United States. To check other countries, use the link in pinned comment. We hope now you have a clear picture on how to earn money from YouTube. Be creative and good luck to earn more and more from YouTube. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe us to get more videos like this.